때는 1980년대 작은 프랑스라고 불리우는 몬트리올의 어느 수녀원.
I'm just gonna put something here to stop the bleeding. You'll be fine.
술원수녀 아그네스가 엄청난 출혈을 동반하며 의식을 잃게 되고, 잠시 후 원장수녀님은 두 눈을 의심케 하는 광경을 목도할 수 있었는데요. 종교계는 물론이고 캐나다 전역의 모든 이슈들을 빨아들이는 사건이 되어 있었죠.
Martha, it's you.
What about Roger? They want a woman.
Tell the court she's insane.
Are you dictating my position? Sticky legal
Nobody
territory
wants
here.
this. Not the church, not the crown.
She strangled me.
Nobody's interested in on to prison.
Is there any reason why you feel you shouldn't take it?
Today's my birthday. Always make bad decisions on my birthday.
Happy birthday.
10달 동안 배 아파가며 낳은 아이를 자신의 손으로 죽였다는 믿기 어려운 사건인데다가 사건이 일어난 장소가 수녀원이라는 특수성.
Bonjour. I'm Dr. Martha Livingston. Excuse me. I'm the court-appointed psychiatrist.
자칫하다가는 가톨릭과 대중으로부터 엄청난 비난을 마주하게 될 게 자명한 상황. 결국 경찰로 대변되는 공권력 대신 법원은 정신과 전문의 마사를 투입할 수밖에 없었죠.
Dr. Livingston, I presume?
I'm Mother Miriam Ruth. You needn't call me Mother if you don't wish. Besides, I was...
You were a smoker?
2 packs a day.
You have questions.
Who knew about Agnes's pregnancy?
No one.
How did she hide it from the other nuns?
She bathed alone.
How did she hide it during the day?
She could have hidden a machine gun in here if she wanted.
Didn't she have any physical examination?
We're examined once a year. Pregnancy fell in between the doctor's visits. Who was the father? I haven't a clue.
What men had access to her?
None, as far as I know.
Was there a priest?
Yes, but I...
What's his name?
Father Martin, but I don't see him as...
Could there have been anyone else?
Obviously there was.
And you didn't try to find out who?
I've done everything short of asking Agnes. She can't even remember the birth.
단순 살인사건인 줄 알았는데 사건의 발단이 된 아이의 아빠가 누구인지도, 그리고 정작 자기 자신이 출산을 했다는 사실조차 기억하지 못한다는 이야기. 마사의 머릿속에는 동정녀 마리아가 오버랩되기 시작했고, 원장 수녀님과의 논쟁 대신 서둘러 당사자를 만나볼 필요가 있었는데요.
Hello. You have a lovely voice. You're very pretty, Agnes. Hasn't anyone ever told you that before?
Let's talk about something else.
First thing that comes to your mind.
God. But there's nothing to say about God.
Second thing that comes to your mind.
Love.
Agnes, have you ever loved another man? Other than Jesus Christ?
Yes?
Who?
There are so many.
Well, do you love Father Martineau?
Oh, yes.
Do you think he loves you?
I know he does.
He's told you?
When I look into his eyes, I can see.
You've been alone together.
Yes.
Where do you meet?
In the confessional.
Do you ever see Father Martineau outside
You
the
want to
confessional?
talk about the baby? Never saw any baby. I think they made it up.
Do you remember the night they said it came?
No, I was sick.
원장 수녀님의 진술대로 아이의 아빠가 누구인지도, 엄청난 출혈을 동반한 출산에 대한 기억까지 마치 디스크가 포맷된 것처럼 그 어느 것 하나 기억하지 못하고 있었던 것. 이 모든 것들이 이성적으로 이해되지 않는 만큼 마사의 언성이 조금씩 높아지기 시작했고,
Would you like to ask them?
What do you mean?
Just that. You ask and I'll answer.
Anything? Married?
No,
Do you have any children?
I can't have them anymore. I've stopped menstruating.
Why do you smoke?
Does it bother you?
No question.
Do you have any more questions?
One, where do you think babies come from?
From their mothers and fathers, of course.
Well, I think they come from angels. Except bad babies cry a lot, and they make their fathers go away. The mothers get very ill, die sometimes.
이내 곧 임신과 출산에 대한 그 어떠한 형태의 성교육도 받지 못했다는 사실을 알 수 있었죠.
What do you think? Totally bananas or merely slightly off scent?
What's your opinion?
I believe Agnes is nor is she lied.
How could she have a baby and know nothing?
Her case it isn't. She's had very little schooling. Her mother kept her home almost all the time. Died, Agnes came here. She's never seen a movie or a television show. She's never even read a book.
She murdered
She didn't. This is manslaughter now. She'd lost a lot of blood.
사건의 당사자가 아무런 기억을 하지 못하는 데다가 이런 아그네스의 진술을 뒷받침하는 관계자들의 증언들, 이로써 심신미약이라는 강력한 논거가 만들어졌지만 마사는 왠지 모를 찝찝함을 떨칠 수 없었고 결국 마사는 다시금차 머리를 돌릴 수밖에 없었는데요.
Why? Is Father Martineau in, please?
Wipe your feet.
수녀원에 드나들 수 있는 유일한 남성 마르티노 신부님의 사제관에 닿게 되지만
They rise at 5, they're in bed by 9. Even if a man probably find them prey. That's why that the real question is not only how he got it, but when.
And you're the only man to see them?
I promise you, even if I had possibly catch a patient nun.
찻잔을 드는 것조차 힘겨워 보이는 고령의 신부님이었던 것, 사건은 더더욱 미궁 속으로 빠져들고 있었죠.
Hello, Mama. Brought you something.
Shut up. I'm trying to watch this. Who are you?
It's Martha, Mama.
Marie brings me ice cream too, you know.
Did you have a good week, Mama? Are they treating you?
You know, Martha never comes to see me. If you watch her, she's going straight to hell. Then she marries a Frenchman, has an abortion. Not like you, Marie.
Marie's dead, Mama.
Who are you?
I'm Martha, Mama.
The convent was built for over 50. Just us and the chickens.
Well, that's a lot of land. You must have help.
No, we worked the land alone.
Sister Anne, which was Agnes's room? The one up on the third floor?
Yes.
This convent is locked, Marguerite, and she wouldn't let Christ in.
Maybe Agnes went to him.
Her. She doesn't even know how babies are born.
When did you first learn about her? Her innocence. You know, the way she thinks.
Shortly after she came to us. What happened? She stopped eating completely. About 2 years before. Agnes, it has come to my attention that you've stopped eating. Why is this?
Been commanded by God.
He talked to you himself?
No.
Through someone else?
Yes.
Who?
I can't say.
One of the sisters?
No. Because I'm getting fat. Do I have to be attractive to God? It's a sin to be fat. Look at the statues. They're thin. Won't be able to fit in. I won't be able to squeeze these. I've got all this weight. I'm a blimp.
Oh, my dear. Who?
Mommy, I'll get bigger and bigger every day.
Agnes, your mother is dead.
She watches. She listens.
I'm your mother now, and I want you to eat.
No, I don't. The host is enough.
My dear, I don't think a communion wafer has the recommended daily allowance.
아그네스가 보고 들은 것의 대부분이 성당과 수녀원으로 국한된 데다가 아직 정식 서원도 마치지 않은 술안수녀라는 처지까지 더해져 성경의 내용을 자신만의 위험한 방식으로 해석하는 오류를 범하고 있었는데요.
Why?
I don't know. Why didn't you send her to a doctor? She had a hole in the palm of her hand. She could have bled to death.
But she didn't. If anyone had seen what I'd seen, she'd be public property. I know what you're thinking. She's an hysteric, pure and simple. Clean through the palm of her hand. Do you think hysteria could do that?
Been doing it for centuries. She's just another victim.
God's victim.
And I intend to take her away from him.
발작으로 인해 신체 일부분에서 출혈이 발생할 수 있다는 과학적인 주장과 기적이 행해졌다는 원장 수녀님의 반론, 이렇듯 아그네스를 사이에 두고 극한의 대립이 한동안 이어졌고
Don't let anyone know where you got him.
자신의 인맥을 총동원하며 사건 당시의 자료들을 접할 수 있었는데요.
Would you tell me why the hell this is taking so long?
It's not to heal and play detective. Who do you think you are?
There are a lot of unanswered questions here.
You have to make a decision on her sanity and not interfere with due process. The more difficult it will be for us.
Why?
Bishop is breathing down our necks.
I'm fighting for this woman's life, not some bloody.
문제는 의혹들이 말끔하게 해소되는 게 아닌 오히려 점점 더 복잡해지고 있었다는 사실.
She climb up here often?
No, only when she felt like it.
Oh, I gotta get up smoking.
더 이상 강압적인 태도로는 진실의 문을 열 수 없을 거라는 판단, 친근함을 앞세워 아그네스의 일상으로 스며드는 전략으로의 변화를 꾀하게 되죠.
Have you ever thought of leaving the convent for some...
No, just being here at night helps me sleep.
You have trouble sleeping?
I get headaches. Mommy did too. She knew things nobody else knew.
What things?
She knew it was going to happen to me. That's why she hid me away.
그동안 아이의 아빠가 누구이고 그 아이를 살해한 존재에 집중하느라 대수롭지 않게 여겼던 존재, 아그네스의 가치관 형성에 어머니가 무척이나 큰 영향을 끼쳤다는 걸 알 수 있었고
Trying to get me to say that she was a bad woman and hated me and didn't. Don't touch me like that.
You hate us, don't you?
I hate ignorance and stupidity.
And the Catholic Church. I want you to deal with Agnes without any religious prejudice or
엄마와의 관계를 통해 진실에 한 발짝 다가설 수 있음을 직감하게 되지만 두 사람 모두 손사래를 치고 있었는데요.
Help her.
I am.
No!
There's another choice.
What?
Acquittal.
All right, what do you need?
Answers. When would Agnes have conceived the child?
Sometime in January.
Visitors, a diary or a daybook?
Yes?
Oh, dear God. What is it?
Sheets.
What sheets?
Dear God, I should have guessed.
불현듯 잠시 잊고 있었던 그날의 기억들이 떠오르기 시작하죠.
Sister Marguerite says you've been sleeping on a bare mattress, sister. Why?
In the medieval days, the nuns and monks would sleep in their coffin.
We're not in the Middle Ages, sister.
It made them holy.
Sister, where are your sheets?
I burned them.
Why?
They were stained.
That menstruation is a perfectly natural process. A few years ago, one of the sisters came to me, comfort because she was too old to have any child. Dry your eyes, sister. And thank God that he's filled you with that possibility.
It's not that.
What do you mean?
It's not my time of month. I woke up, there was blood on the sheets, but I don't know what happened. I don't know why I should be punished.
That was the beginning, the night of the conception.
I've been told you don't recommend she be returned to the convent. Only can help Sister Agnes who have this investment. Your mother was a resident of St. Catherine's home.
What does this have to
And
do
you
with
had a
it?
sister who died in the convent.
Business is
Well, we just
yours.
wonder if she can be very objective.
Are you expecting me to
Well,
just
someone's
condemn
got
her?
to suffer for this, Doc. You've got to be merciful and quick.
아그네스가 심신미약의 상태였고 신의 은총을 받은 수녀라고 주장하는 원장 수녀와 아그네스의 범행을 사실상 인정하는 듯한 교구 측의 상반된 스탠스, 어느 장단에 맞춰야 하는 건지 마사의 정신이 얼얼해지기 시작했고.
What did your mother do to you? Did she make you do something you didn't want to do? Did it make you feel uncomfortable to do it? Did she make you do?
No.
You can tell me. Agnes, I don't believe that. Tell me. I'll protect you from her.
이와는 반대로 그녀가 어머니로부터 충분한 사랑을 받지 못했다는 사실을 알게 된 마사, 어느새 동정심을 넘어 어쩌면 그녀의 범행이 아닐지도 모른다는 생각이 커지고 있었는데요.
I really love you.
As much as Mother Miriam loves me.
As much as God loves you.
I've been watching. We were fine till she came. She brought the devil.
Agnes?
Look into the convent record.
I'm looking for some biographical data on Sister Agnes. Thank you.
문제는 사건의 양상을 180도 뒤흔들어 버릴 엄청난 사실을 원장 수녀가 은폐하고 있었다는 거죠.
You lied to me. Your niece.
I never saw Agnes until she said she wrote to me and Agnes in case anything happened.
And Agnes's father?
Could have been any one of a dozen men from what my sister told me. Was afraid that Agnes would follow in her footsteps. She did everything she could to...
You knew she was keeping her home from school. You knew she was an alcoholic.
원치 않는 관계로 아그네스를 갖게 되었고 하루가 멀다 하고 술에 쩔어 지냈던 일상. 이제서야 왜 그토록 엄마와의 기억을 지우고 싶어 했는지 퍼즐의 마지막 조각을 찾을 수 있었고.
Larry, there's got to be something missing.
Pictures, Marty. What else do you want?
It's not in the report that should be.
Too involved. Why don't you turn this case over to someone else?
I'll ask around. In the meantime, you go home and get some sleep.
누가 범행을 저질렀는가라는 1차원적인 문제가 아닌 어떻게 해서 이러한 비극적인 사건이 일어나게 되었는지에 대한 풀리지 않는 의문 부호들. 어느새 절친조차 그녀를 걱정할 정도로 깊이 빠져들고 있었는데요. 그런데 그날 저녁.
Hi, Marty. It's me. He said there was one thing that bothered her, the wastepaper basket, the one in Agnes's room. The one in Agnes's room. None of the other nuns had one.
사전에 아그네스가 임신한 사실을 누군가가 알고 있었다는 결정적인 증거였던 거죠.
I've gotten the court's permission to hypnotize.
And my permission?
The woman's health is at stake.
Spiritual health.
Then why did you call the police? Throw the baby into the incinerator and be done with it.
Because I am a moral person. Burn a few heretics, sell some indulgences. So what did we do to you, eh?
You know, when I was in first grade, my best friend was run over on her. She died because she hadn't said her morning prayer. She was a beautiful little girl.
Well, what has that to do?
I wasn't. She was the pretty one. She died. Why not me? I never said my morning prayers.
So you left the church because you had freckles?
No, because I... Yeah.
When I was a child, I used to hear my guardian angel. A few years ago, I looked at myself and saw nothing but a nun. And then one evening, I saw Agnes standing by her window. And all my doubts about myself and God, I recognized the voice. Please don't take it away from me again, Dr. Livingston.
My sister died in a convent, and it's her voice I hear. Does my smoking bother you?
No. It reminds me.
Would you like one?
May I be present?
Of course.
Then let's begin.
And while you're sleeping, you're going to be able to recall... Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Good. Would you like to tell me why you're here?
Because I'm in trouble.
What kind of trouble?
I had a baby.
Did you want it to come out?
No.
Why?
Because I was afraid. Because I wasn't worthy.
How did the baby get into you?
Grew.
Would you like to tell me?
No.
Did anyone else know?
I can't tell you.
Will she be angry?
She made me promise not to.
Who? It's all right, Agnes. It's all right.
누구와 약속을 한 건지 끝끝내 대답을 들을 순 없었지만 분명 그녀의 임신을 누군가 알고 있었다는 정황을 확보할 수 있었고
Sister Marguerite, I think.
Was it Sister Marguerite who knew about the baby?
이내 곧 원장 수녀만이 아닌 이곳에서 생활하는 모든 수녀들이 임신에 대해 알고 있었다는 진실에 다가설 수 있었는데요.
All jealous, that's why.
Of what?
Of me. I got water. It's all water.
What is it?
Wait, I don't want you.
Is someone in the room with you?
No, you're trying to take my baby.
Leave her alone.
이로써 그동안 원장 수녀의 진술이 대부분 거짓말이었다는 게 드러난 만큼 아그네스의 임신과 성은 또한 기적으로 포장될 수 없음이 명백해진 상황. 그렇다면 남겨진 문제는 어디에서 어떤 방식으로 남자와의 만남이 이루어졌는지 단 하나뿐이었고
I'm looking for some Saint Mary Magdalene Convent in Berthierville.
Petite sœur de Marie-Madeleine, oui.
Excuse me.
This has everything. Even the secret entrance from building to building in the snow.
That's how we got in.
Excuse me, what did you say?
Nothing.
마침내 이 미스터리한 사건의 실마리가 되어줄 엄청난 자료를 찾아낼 수 있었는데요. 비교적 외부인들이 자유롭게 드나들 수 있는 비밀 통로는 헛간에 닿아 있었죠.
Is the doctor in her office?
Just a minute, please. It's all right, Helen. Just close the door.
Met with the bishop. We're taking you off the case.
For the church?
For Agnes. She's been touched by God, yes.
How? Give me a miracle.
The Father. Why must he be anybody?
Well, then give me a reasonable
Miracle is an event without an explanation. If she's capable of putting a hole in her hand without benefit of a nail, she split a cell in her womb.
This is insane. God did it?
That's as much as saying Father Martineau did it.
이렇듯 세상 그 어떠한 것도 막아낼 수 있는 방패와 모든 걸 뚫어버릴 수 있는 창의 대결이 이어지던 그때
There's a tunnel out of the crypt into the barn. There's an answer, Mother. That's how she got out. Aren't you concerned about what she told us about the other? Who was that person, Mother? Was it you?
If you believe this is murder, then it's the Crown Attorney you have to talk to, not me.
비밀 통로라는 비장의 카드를 제시, 가까스로 판정승을 거둘 수 있었는데요. 문제는 그것만으로는 아그네스의 혐의를 벗겨내기란 사실상 역부족에 가까웠다는 점.
All I want is one more week.
You've done nothing to show any progress.
That's because I'm getting to. I'll have a decision by next week. Joe, she didn't kill the baby.
You have proof?
I can get you new evidence next week.
No.
Tomorrow. I'll get it by tomorrow.
Then.
극적으로 마지막 최면요법에 허가를 받을 수 있었죠.
This is permission to take her apart.
I have a few more questions to ask her. To remember, if you can, a night last January, the night Sister Paul died. Do you remember?
She said Michael.
What did she mean?
The statue. She had shown it to me the day before.
And the passage to the barn?
Yes.
Why?
So I could go to him.
How did she know about him?
She had seen him too. From the bell tower the day before she died.
What happened?
He's here.
Are you frightened?
Yes. Hello? Where are you? Is it you?
What do you see?
Halos dividing into feathers or stars falling.
정리하면 수녀원에서 유일하게 자신을 예뻐하던 폴 수녀님으로부터 헛간으로 통하는 비밀 터널을 알게 되었고 그곳에서 대천사 미카엘과의 영적인 교감을 나눴다는 이야기였지만 정신과 전문의의 입장에서는 허무맹랑한 소설이 아닐 수 없었고
Agnes, we had nothing to do with that man in the barn. Tell us who he is so we can find him.
All your fault.
Agnes, who did you see?
Hate him for what he did.
Who did this to you?
God! It was God. And now I'll burn in hell. I hate him.
Agnes, what happened to the baby?
I don't remember.
Wasn't it?
Yes!
Mother Miriam was with you, wasn't she?
Yeah.
And then, what did she do?
Left me alone with that little thing. I looked at it. This is a mistake. I can save her. Give her back to God.
성령으로 잉태한 거룩한 아이를 나처럼 부족한 죄인의 손에서 자라게 할 수는 없다는 이유, 결국 그녀 스스로가 심기에 아이를 바쳤다는 사실을 시인하게 되죠.
In view of the situation as it now, and the testimony given here, seems quite clear that the defendant no manner responsible for her act. It is therefore the judgment she be returned to the convent of Marie-Madeleine, where she will be cared for under proper medical supervision by a visiting physician. Oui. Do you have something to say?
I stood in the window of my room every night for a week. I heard the most beautiful voice imagined. I saw the moon shining down on him. For 6 nights he sang to me songs I'd never heard. On the 7th night he opened his wings and lay on top of me.
Remove her.
1976년 미국 어느 수녀원에서 일어난 모린 머피 사건을 모티브로 한 작품. 당시 26세였던 모린 머피 역시 임신과 출산을 전혀 기억하지 못했고 결과적으로 죽음을 맞게 된 영아의 아버지 신원도 밝혀내지 못한 굉장히 미스터리한 사건으로 기억되고 있는데요. 그래서였을까 이 작품의 연출을 맡은 노만 주이슨 감독은 누가 아이의 아빠인지에 포커스를 맞추기보다는 왜 아그네스 스스로가 기억을 지울 수밖에 없었는지에 대해 조금 더 집중, 부모로부터 최소한의 사랑과 교육도 받지 못한 아이가 성인이 되고 그 과정이 어찌되었건 수련수녀의 임신이라는 불미스러운 사건이 외부로 새어나갈까 성령이 임한 기적이라며 가스라이팅을 서슴지 않은 원장 수녀와 시기와 질투의 시선을 보낸 동료 수녀들의 만행까지 어쩌면 이 모든 게 창조주와의 영적 교감이라고 스스로가 되뇌이지 않으면 자신의 멘탈이 버텨내지 못할 게 자명하기에 어쩔 수 없이 선택한 최소한의 방어기제인 것 같아 더욱 가슴이 아랬던 작품. 여러분들은 어떠셨나요?